Hi friends, welcome back to the Common Sense Grandma, and today we are going to do an unboxing for my produce box that I just got from Farm Fresh to You. This arrived sometime during the night on our doorstep, and I actually checked my account. The first time I ever ordered from them was in 2014. It's been that long. I just thought, I wanted to share this with you because they sent me an email offering a code for you where you get $15 off your first box, which I think is a great deal. And so let's just go through this very quick. This will be a very short little video here. And if you're new here, my name is Michelle and I'm the Common Sense Grandma. I will also leave a link below that you can use for your code. Now, I'm in Southern California. This company does deliver all over California. So, if you're in California, please take advantage of this. Now, my box cost $42.13. The minimum order is a $37 box. This is the medium size box. I believe they have a smaller box and a larger box, but I usually just get the medium. And everything I bought here are things that I am not growing. So that's why I order from them. I don't order every week, but I really appreciate their produce. I mean, look at this lettuce here. It's organic, it's delicious. Everything is so good. So we have lettuce, bok choy, golden beets, and these are so delicious. They're really, really good. Green beans, celery, which I don't know why I bought that. I already have celery, but that's okay. Strawberries. These are gorgeous plums. And then we have spinach. And I have to double check if they are taking the boxes back. Before COVID they did. I'm actually not sure, but I think they are. But they have all kinds of things besides produce. I believe they have meat, they have fish, they have plant-based options, they have pet things, they have drinks. And when it's in season, I order their Gravenstein, however you say it, apple juice. It is just delicious. So I urge you to try this if you are here in California. There is another company called Misfits, and I believe they are in other states. They used to be another name. Can't remember the name of it at the moment. I had ordered from them before, but they joined up with another company. But I've always stuck with this company. They have been reliable. I've never had a problem with getting the wrong thing. I've never had to contact customer service. But, for me, I grew up on a ranch. We had acreage, we had oranges. On our side of the street, we had 10 acres. Across the street, grandparents had 5 acres. And then we had about 3,000 chickens that were layers, for the grocery store, white leghorns. And I have always been attached to, I guess, agriculture. My grandfather was an agriculture inspector here for the county. And then before that, he was inspector for the state. And he would go all over from San Diego all the way up to Los Angeles. And I've just always appreciated agriculture, farming, planting. And the thing about this comes directly from the growers. And they even tell you on the website, a lot of times, you can tell exactly, it doesn't say on here, but what farm they're from. And I just love that. A lot of this was probably picked yesterday. It's not been sitting on a truck from, well, here in California, most of our lettuce comes from Salinas, which is fine. I mean, we do what we have to do, right, for grocery shopping if we can't grow it ourselves. But this is helping our smaller farmers directly. And I just really like that idea. I think it's important that we do that. So with that said, I will see you again in the next video. Please like and subscribe. And again, I will leave the code down below. You just click that link. I'll put a link directly to their website, and I'll make sure I put the code so you can copy that. And I hope that you enjoy some lovely fresh produce with $15 off. Bye, friends.